In this video, you will learn how to install Matplotlib library in a Python project in Pycharm IDE. For that, first we will open that Python project in Pycharm IDE in which we want to install Matplotlib library. Now before starting the installation, do hit the like button if you find the video useful. Now to install Matplotlib, we will click on this file here. Then go to this new project setup and here we will click on this settings for new projects. Here we will click on this Python interpreter, and now from this drop down of Python interpreter we will select the correct Python interpreter for which we want to install Matplotlib. For me, the correct Python interpreter is this one, which is present inside this Hello World project. So I will select this interpreter here, and please be cautious while selecting the interpreter, because if you select the incorrect interpreter then you won't be able to use Matplotlib properly in your Python projects, and it will give you errors whenever you will try to import this Matplotlib library. And as soon as we select this interpreter, we will see all the packages here that are already installed for the selected Python interpreter. Now we will click on this plus icon here, which will open up a new window of available packages. Now to install Matplotlib, we will search for Matplotlib in this search box. This is the one, we will select this. Now here, this is the option to specify any specific version which we want to install. If we do not change this and keep this as it is, then it will install this 3.9.0 RC2 version, which is the pre-release version, and we should avoid installing these pre-release versions because these are not production ready versions. Let me now show you on the PyPy website also. Here you will see that this RC2 version is the pre-release version, and the latest production ready version is this one, which is this 3.9.0. So we will also install this 3.9.0 version only. Let's go back to the Pycharm now. Now to install that specific version, we will enable this option from here and choose 3.9.0 from this drop down menu. This is the one. So we will select this and we will click on this install package here. Once this is installed, we will see this type of message here, which is package Matplotlib installed successfully. Now we can close this window from here, and here we will see this Matplotlib library along with couple of more packages which were not present earlier. And now we will click on this OK here, which will close this window as well. Let's now verify the installation, whether the Matplotlib library is installed properly or not. And for that we will write couple of lines of Python code here. So first we will create an empty Python file, and for that we will click on this file here, then click on new, and here we will select this Python file here. Now we will give the name of the file, so let's write hello and double click on this Python file. This will create a new file which is hello.py for us, and here in this file first we will import Matplotlib module. So we will write import Matplotlib. And now we will also print the version of Matplotlib. So we will say print and matplotlib dot underscore version underscore. Now to run this program, we will right click on this and we will click on this run hello here. So here in the output we did not get any error, so which means the import of the module was successful. Also in the output we got the version of Matplotlib, which is this 3.9.0. So now we can say that the Matplotlib library is installed properly and we can use this in any Python code now. Let me know if this video was helpful to you.